I asked ChatGPT to make me the best brownie recipe, and it did just that in about 13 seconds. Certainly, here's a delicious and straightforward brownie recipe that's sure to impress. Ingredients: 2 sticks unsalted butter, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon baking powder. Optional add-ins. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, or line it with parchment paper. Melt the butter in a medium saucepan over low heat. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, sift together, or mix together if you don't have a sifter, flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. If using, fold in chocolate chips and nuts until evenly distributed in the batter. I used half a cup of pecans and about a handful and a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Spread it out evenly with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, but not wet batter. The edges should be just beginning to pull away from the sides of the pan. Or if you're like me and you don't have any toothpicks around, just use a chopstick. It's just the same thing, it's just a thicker toothpick. Obviously. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack before cutting into squares. Tips: for fudgier brownies, bake towards the lower end of the time range and be cautious not to overbake. If you like your brownies with a little extra indulgence, serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate ganache. Enjoy your homemade brownies! Exclamation point.